Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So if you want to pair your watch with an iPhone, first thing you will need to do is to turn it on. And to turn it on, press and hold the crown button. Keep holding it until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen. After the watch turns on, you can release the button and wait until it's done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to the iPhone, make sure if we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and then we can download and install the application required for the pairing process. So open the App Store, tap on search and type in Zepp with two P's at the end, and then tap on search and you should see this application Zepp. Install it. Now we can go to our watch, and as you can see we have the list of languages on the screen. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use and tap on it to select it. After you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm and you will see the QR code on the screen. This QR code is required for the pairing process, so once you see it, we need to wait until the application is done installing. And it looks like it's going to take a while for me to install the application for some reason. I guess the network is not too great. And so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done installing. Okay, the application is finally done installing, so we can tap on open. And after the application opens, you will need to log in into a Zepp account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on sign up, create one, and then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna log into that account. Okay. And after you log in, you will see the home page of the application. Like this. And then we can allow the required permissions. Then tap on device. Select the watch category. Agree again. Allow the required permission. And it will open the camera up. And what we need to do is to point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. Like this. And then if you see this covering, tap on setup. Tap on confirm. And tap on continue in the app. Allow the required permission. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Next, if you see this pop-up, tap on go to settings. Although you can also skip it if you want to, because this is for the Bluetooth calls. So this feature allows you to basically answer, hang up, reply to messages, I believe, as well. So basically you can answer the calls, hang them up, start the calls by using your watch, and you will need to allow specific permission for it to work. If you don't care, you can skip it. If you want to use it, tap on go to settings. And it should bring you to the settings page, then tap on Bluetooth. And here you need to wait until the Amazfit GTS 4 something, basically with the numbers, the GTS 4 with the numbers appears, you need to tap on it. And once it says pair, tap on pair, check mark, and then it will appear on the list of my devices and it will say connected. And then we can go back to the app. And right here we can also enable the calling all contacts. So basically you can call all of your contacts via the Zepp Flow, so via the application. And if you want to use it on your watch, you need to enable the required permission. Of course you can skip it as well. Same for the calendar, saying you can enable it or skip it. Then select the button position, tap next, done. Done. At this point you should see the device page, and on it you should see your GTS 4 and the watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.